Welcome to a couple of bunkies. I don't think we've ever done a review video in the past, but we did purchase this one piece of equipment that we do kind of regret. In one of our first 5 videos, we had made a rolling cart for our dust collector. Please do not consider going and watching this video, but I'll put a link in the upper right hand corner if you're interested in watching. And in that video we had shown off our new JET Cyclone Separator. I still love how it looks as everything goes through it. And this Cyclone Separator works pretty darn well under normal operations. However, when I go to plane some boards with the planer, I had to work out a way of bypassing the separator because the teeth in the inlet side of the separator would catch the large materials and it would create a jam. Now initially I thought it might have something to do with the dust collector that I had, because we started off with a 90 CFM General International dust collector and then upgraded to a Penn State Industry dust collector that was 650 CFM. I even attempted to reach out to JET Woodworking, and I ended up getting no answer. And just a couple months ago, we updated our dust collector one more time to a 2 horsepower Grizzly that has 1550 CFM. Now I'm going to go ahead and set up the dust collector one last time and run a few boards through the planer just to see if this setup makes any difference. I started off with a small board just to see if it goes through okay. Now we can watch the JET Cyclone Separator do its thing. You can already see the one pass that I had put through ended up having some material stuck in the teeth of the separator. If I leave this section clogged, it will end up clogging the entire tube. So I clear it out so I can run some larger boards through. Immediately after starting the planer, wood chips start piling up, and a clog soon followed. I honestly wouldn't have a problem with this product, but the purpose of having a Cyclone Separator is to separate the larger bits from the small. And this separator is just not capable of dealing with some of the larger bits. And over the last couple years that we've owned it, I've almost completely stopped using it. At one point in time I had it set up with a Y gate so I could switch them fairly easily, and it became too much of a hassle going back and forth. So I ended up putting this piece of equipment up on Marketplace. So maybe some hobbyist that doesn't plane as much boards as I do will give it a good home in their shop. Please consider leaving a comment down below and letting me know if I'm doing something wrong with this dust separator. I'm going to include a bunch of videos on me having to clean the dust separator. If you end up liking this type of content where I review a tool that I've had in the shop, or if you'd like us to review a tool over a period of time, leave a comment down below. I'm honestly interested in making a video on hit and miss things that we bought for our shop. Thank you for watching.